the inquisitive truck, curious and upbeat. In his truck bed he brings many colored parts. Leo the inquisitive truck, he has come again to help us. With his help, now we can build a brand new car. Leo, Leo, Leo the truck. A blue car is being washed at the car wash. It's Max. And here are the robots. They're asking Scoop to dig a hole on the playground. I wonder why. They think that there's treasure buried here. Or here. Maybe here. Right here, says the red robot. Could he be right? Let's find out. Just a little more. Ah, water. A real fountain. No, this isn't treasure. Scoop accidentally broke a water pipe with his bucket. There's no more water for the car wash. Max can't finish his bath. Leo, will you help us?
Ooh.
We need to build a vehicle that will install new pipes.
Huh?
But first, we should shut off the water. This is the tap. Turn it, robot. Scoop, let's make the hole bigger so we can get the pipe out. Leo, are these the parts for a pipe-laying crane?
Huh?
The chassis. Tracks with wheels. The cabin. The operator's chair. The control lever. Doors. Lights. The arm. The grapple for the pipes. Excellent! The pipe-laying crane is ready. Look, it's removing the broken pipe. Wow! What a hole! Now we need to find a similar pipe that isn't broken. Will this pipe work? No. How about this one? Not this one either. This is the pipe we need. The pipe-laying crane puts it in place. Hooray! We did it! We need to turn on the water to make sure everything's working. Water isn't leaking from the ground anymore. Scoop, fill the hole in. How are things at the car wash? Max can finish his bath now. Thanks, Leo. This is Excavator Scoop. You know what he's doing? He's digging a pit to put a basketball ring on the playground. Oh, be careful, Scoop. The backboard falls. Let's try again. No, doesn't work. We need concrete to fix the pole. Look, Leo is already bringing parts of the new vehicle. Concrete mixer. Now we will build it and go for concrete. Oh, the wheel rolled away. Oh, the wheel hit the tower that Robot was building. The robot is building the tower again. Done. Look, he hits the tower with the wheel. It's an interesting game. Let's attach 3 wheels to the chassis. Now the cabin. Green bumper. Headlights. Wings. This is a platform. Orange parts will support the drum. And this is the drum. It's a tank in which a concrete mixer carries cement mixture. And one more orange part on top. Leo, we need to find and attach the 4th wheel. Let's look for it together. Look around carefully. It's not behind the tree. The robot plays with the wheel and the tower. Hello. Robot, do you want to see something interesting? But we need this wheel first. Thank you. Follow Leo. All wheels are in place. The concrete mixer is ready. Now, let's bring concrete. Robot, press the button.
Oh.
Great! The drum rotates so that the cement mixture does not harden. The concrete mixer goes to the playground to fill the foundation for the basketball pole. Let's put the basketball pole in place and pour the concrete into the pit, which Scoop dug out. That's enough. Thank you, concrete mixer. The concrete hardened. The pole no longer falls. Let's play basketball. Scoop scored the first goal. Robot, don't be sad. Your turn. Throw it. You will succeed. Great! Now you can play basketball on the playground. On the playground, robots build 2 castles with blocks. Castles should be big. I wonder which castle will turn out better. Oh, there is one last block left. Robots, don't fight. One block is not enough to finish your castles. Leo can bring you more. Right, Leo? Leo goes to Lifty's shop.
Oh.
Lifty, we need blocks. A lot of blocks to build 2 big castles. Wow! It's a whole mountain. Leo can't carry so many blocks. We need to build a big truck. Leo brought parts for the truck. Let's put it together. Cabin. Headlights.
Ooh.
Radiator grill. Front bumper.
Oh.
2 seats. Steering wheel. Doors. Mirrors. This part is attached to the cabin. Wings. Exhaust pipes. And 4 wheels. The tractor unit is ready.
Ooh.
But where to find a big trailer? Do you know, Lifty? Choose. Which one do we need? Bucket? No. Drum? You can't put blocks into it. A big trailer? Yes, this is what we need. Push it, Leo. Let's attach the trailer to the tractor. And Lifty will put blocks into the body. Lifty, well done. Leo, we can go to the robots. Oh, the orange block fell out. Leo, take it. Let's go. Robots, look! The big truck brought you many blocks. Be careful. Red robot, where are you? Are you okay? You can continue building your castles now. Robots are so fast. Their castles are ready. Great! Thank you, Leo. 4 little cars quickly drive along the road. Oh, a puddle! Wet road like this can be very slippery. Oh! Careful! Leo, the yellow car is stuck and can't get out. Will you help it? To pull out the car, let's build a tow truck. Let's start, Leo. Take the chassis and attach the platform for the cabin. Put 2 seats. Now, steering wheel and control panel. The cabin. Headlights. Front bumper. Four wheels. Wings. And a red platform. We'll attach a boom and a hook to it so the tow truck can pull out the car. But where are the boom and the hook? Leo, we need to find them. Oh, the hook is here. Put it in the back. And the boom is under the slide.
Oh.
Yes, that's it. Install the boom with the winch and attach the hook to the cable. Well done, Leo. Look, the tow truck is so strong.
Ooh.
He can even move Leo.
Oh.
Little car, we'll get you out quickly. The tow truck lowers the hook. Grab it, like this. Good job. Oh, little car,
Ooh.
you are so dirty. Let's take you to the car wash. Time to wash. And after, you can drive on. But this time, be more careful. Look, we need to lay new asphalt on this bridge. A large truck is already bringing crushed asphalt. Pour the asphalt here, truck. Lifty, wait! The road is not ready yet. Your wheels leave traces.
Oi.
Asphalt must be compacted first, right, Leo?
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
Unload your body. We will build a road roller. Let's put the motor on this heavy platform. A cabin. A steering wheel. Driver's seat. Wings. Two wheels behind. A frame for the cylinder in front. Headlights. Exhaust pipe. And two spotlights on the roof. Is the roller ready? No! It needs a cylinder to level and compact asphalt. Let's go look. The robots are following Leo again. Oh, Leo has already found everything. Which of these things is Roller's cylinder? This one. Right. Look, Leo does the happy dance. Hey, robots, what are you up to? Where are you taking the cylinder? They're playing again. Robots, wait! It's hard to catch up with you. Help us put the cylinder in place. Excellent! Now, let's see how the road roller works. The road and the bridge are ready. Lifty, you can go. Spring has come. The snow on the roads is melting. Look, there is no snow left. Oh, there's a pit on the road. Very deep. It's not good. Hello, Scoop. Look carefully at the road. Careful. Careful. Oh, look, your wheel is stuck right in the pit. Leo, Scoop can't get out himself. Help him, please.
Oh.
Push. Well done. Thanks. Scoop can go now. And Leo will build a vehicle that repairs roads. We need to remove the old asphalt and then repave the road. Do you know what vehicle Leo is going to build today? It's called a road milling machine, and it removes old asphalt. Before starting work, let's put a road cone to warn others about roadworks. Now, let's connect the parts. Blue chassis. Powerful yellow-orange engine. Wheels. Chain tracks, which make it easier to drive on a bad road. Cabin. Driver's seat. Milling drum that removes old asphalt. Headlights. And behind, we need to attach a conveyor belt to this square hole. Ground asphalt will be poured from it. Let's go look, Leo.
Ooh. Ooh.
We can't attach this part to the square hole. This one is not square either.
Ooh.
Here is the part that we need. Take it with you, Leo. Done. The road milling machine is finished. We can begin work. Let's remove the old asphalt. Great! Asphalt pieces fall straight into Leo's body. Done! Look, Scoop brought crushed asphalt. Scoop, pour it out here. And here. And more here. Well done! And now work for the road roller. The road roller leveled the crushed asphalt. The repair is finished. Cars can drive on the road again. Well done, Leo. This is Excavator Scoop. Today, Scoop and a road roller will build a runway for airplanes. Scoop, do you hear that? That is a propeller noise. A plane is approaching. The plane has landed. Excellent! Oh, it looks like all the robots want to fly. Robots, you can't all fit in one small plane. Look what Leo has brought us. We will build a big passenger airplane. This is an airplane body. It's called a fuselage, a nose with a cockpit for the pilot. A tail. These small wings at the rear are stabilizers. Wings. A door and cabin windows. A chassis. But something is missing. The engines. They should be under the wings. Let's go have a look. Hello, Lifty. Do you have jet engines in your shop? Help us choose, Leo. Will this work? No. And this? No. This looks like just what we need. Hooray! Leo, put them in the back. Let's attach the engines to the wings. 1, 2. Done. Now all of the robots can fly. They are already on board. The plane is ready to take off. Start the engines. Take off. Look how high they are. Bye-bye, robots. The traffic light at the intersection has broken. Do you hear the cars honking? They can't decide who should drive first. Hello, Leo. We need a police car to sort this out.
Huh?
Unload your cargo. Let's get started. A blue body. White seats. A steering wheel and a stick shift. A grill and 2 bumpers. A white roof, a hood, and a trunk lid. Four wheels, 2 on one side and 2 on the other. Doors. Headlights and tail lights. Flashing emergency lights. The rear window. Oh, Leo, where is the windshield? It has to go in the front of the car. Let's look for it. Wow, there are so many different panes of glass. Choose the right one for the car. Square? No. Round? No. Triangular? No. We need this pane of glass. Put the windshield in place. The police car is ready. Well done, Leo. Car, it's time to control the traffic. Turn off the broken traffic light. Attention! Watch the police car. The pickup truck and the convertible drive first. And now the taxi and the bus. Excellent! And what kind of car is driving behind Leo? A crane. It will remove the broken traffic light from the intersection and take it for repairs. And here we will install a new traffic light. It works! Well done, cars! This is Forklift Lifty's shop. Oh, the garbage bin behind the store is too full. Robot, you can't throw out trash here anymore. It's falling out of the bin. What should we do? How can we empty the container? Here comes Leo the truck. He'll know which vehicle can take the trash away. Today, Leo will build a garbage truck. The chassis. The cabin. Headlights. The bumper. Splash guards for the front tires. Mirrors. Red gas tanks. Four tires. Splash guards for the rear tires. We've put all the parts together. Oh, but where will we put the garbage? We need to find the garbage truck's body. We found something. Let's pick one. A fuel tanker's tank? No. A cement mixer's drum? Of course not. Here's the body for the garbage truck. Just what we need. Leo, let's take it with us. The garbage truck is ready. Time to empty the container. Done. Now we can use the garbage can again. Leo, your truck bed is full. Carefully pour the garbage into the container. Robots, your turn. Garbage truck, let's get started. Now the area behind Lifty's shop will always be clean. Good job, Leo.